Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Jura S9 espresso machine, and we did a tune-up, and that included a lot of cleaning on this machine. One of the areas that was particularly dirty that we cleaned was around the spout mechanism. The customer should be able to see how much cleaner it is, and also on the steam assembly. And there was also a lot of splatter around here on top of doing the tune-up. And let's go ahead and make a shot. Good shot of espresso. Then we're going to test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for repairing this Kanen coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.